And where we are definitely getting in on the heat, especially later this week, even though right now we're even at 90 degrees or 91 actually. Pensacola is at 90 along with Houston. We are looking for a heat advisory today. It's already in effect until 7 o'clock for those heat indices near 111, but also for tomorrow. We're expecting the excessive heat warning. So we're under a watch right now for tomorrow and likely later in the week too. Probably one of these weeks where almost every day we're going to be getting some sort of advisory or warning because of the heat index getting so high and even our air temperatures getting high as well. Right now 91, we have thankfully some clouds helping out, but look at this. Hammond is at 79 because of rain and Gonzales just 74. The feels like temperature as high as 111 like at Raceland or 107. At Mandeville, 106 for Slidell Lakefront and Belle Chase, but we do have some rain, so this is a good thing for us. Rest of the week we may not have very much, but today at least we have some showers and storms. This line appears to be weakening as it continues to the south and southeast, but hey, a little rain, not a bad thing, even if there are a few gusty winds near 40+ miles per hour with this line at least a little while ago. Although again, it is weakening. Tracking its progression to the south and southeast, you can see around Morgan City, maybe around 12:30. It could brush parts of Jefferson Parish, maybe by about 12:30 to 1 or so. So this will be coming up soon. It's not extremely strong, but again, some rain today would be really welcome to help with that heat. Now, if you're in the eastern parts of our area, probably not going to get in on much rain today. And it could be much hotter there as temperatures expected, probably middle 90s today. But as you saw, backing off a lot for spots that do get rain like Hammond. Looking at our high resolution model, not doing a great job, although it did show some rain that did approach our area overnight and early today. But you can see it doesn't have a great picture, but really what we're expecting through the afternoon is overall less rain as that area of rain weakens and moves to the south. Probably won't have as much later this afternoon and evening. Overnight looking quiet, and then for tomorrow, look at this. Almost no rain expected as a big high pressure area builds right over us just about. Today 96 or 97 expected for the high, but again that's highly dependent on whether you're over on the eastern side where it could easily get to 96 or 97, or maybe a little lower off to the west if you're getting rain right now. Low temperatures tonight, upper 70s to lower 80s. Warm and muggy. In fact, last night, even at 10 p.m., our heat index was 97 when you factored in that high humidity. Mainly dry conditions, though, expected overnight. Here's our high temperature forecast. I have us getting very close to 100 and some spots, maybe Slidell, maybe Hammond, brushing 100 degrees later this week. I'm not sure if the Kenner Airport will quite touch it, but we will get very close and we could hit the triple-digit mark. Wednesday and Thursday with these temperatures that I have forecast, those would be records for those days' dates. And then by this weekend, the high weakens a little bit. Not in the next couple of days, though, it only strengthens. But by this weekend, those temperatures will go down, I think, a bit because of that weakening high pressure. 100 degrees, by the way, possible this week. Doesn't happen very often. In the past 25 years, only 6 of those years had us reaching 100 degrees for New Orleans. The last time it happened was several years ago, 2016, but at Slidell we did touch 100 last year actually. New Orleans's all-time record high, by the way, is 92, and at Slidell it's 104. So if we get to 99, I mean, we're right there in the range of the all-time record high, but probably not getting there this week. Tropical outlook, we are seeing no active storms. This is the remnants of Cindy. We're seeing that move off to the north, has a low chance of development later this week, would be moving off to the north and maybe eventually bringing some rain to parts of maritime Canada. We will see, but not a real threat or concern for the U.S. at this point, or certainly the Gulf of Mexico. Here's our 7-day forecast. Those temperatures going up. Remember to take all your precautions this week. It will be really hot and steamy, especially through the daytime hours and the afternoons.